What's up everyone, Kevin here. So I'm making this video because you've probably already read the title, but we have a new payload mode. Actually, it's not new, it's coming back, but it's still pretty cool because with it, we have a completely new map editor. We've completely revamped the entire thing from scratch. It's really cool, and I want to show you in this video how to use it so you can start making your own payload maps today. First of all, you're going to see it looks slightly different when you load the page. Again, this is at blocktanks.io/map. You can also get to it through the host game menu if you click create map and then you just click create new map again. So once you're on this page, you see all your settings and you can see your width, your height, and your default mode. This is going to load up all the presets for whatever mode you want to edit in. Let's just get right into it. I'm going to make a payload map, 30 by 20. For those of you who aren't familiar with the maps, I'll go ahead and give you a walkthrough. So up here you have all your buttons that modify the map itself. You can clear the map, you can adjust the settings, the editing mode, and save it. Down here you have all your tiles, so it's going to let you switch between the different elements of the game, such as walls, fences, roofs, and so on. And then over here you have your hand tool, which if you're on mobile will allow you to move and drag the viewport. And then you have your tile select tool, which we will cover how this works. This is a new feature. It basically allows you to select tiles like this and modify the attributes of some of them. Alright, so for example, let's place down a control point. When you place it down, you'll see in this panel down here that there are some new options such as the range of the control point and the diameter. This is going to control how big the control point is and how far back and forth it moves horizontally. And so you can set this to basically any number you want. I'm going to keep it at the default settings of 5 and 3. And also, if you have multiple control points, what this tile select will allow you to do is select each one and then modify the individual elements of each tile. So this one could have a really large movement range and maybe a smaller diameter, and then this one could have like a really small movement range, maybe a bigger diameter. And then you can see if I click between these two, it's going to preserve those attributes, and then that's going to actually show up in the real map. Now let's go ahead and get into the other features that this map editor has. So first of all, we have, this is highly requested, we have undo and redo features. So you can see if I draw stuff, I can put whatever I want down here. And if I don't like it, I simply press undo. And if I do like it, I can press redo. And just a really nice feature to have. And of course, we have it rigged up to hotkeys. So if you're on a PC, you can press Control Z and Control Y, and it will undo and redo as you want. Basically everything in this editor is rigged up to hotkeys of some sort. Alright, the next feature that I want to show you guys is the ability to resize maps. We heard from a lot of players that a lot of times you just need a little bit extra space in your map. The initial size that you had was not enough or it was too much. And so now if you go to the settings menu, you can actually change the width and the height, and it's going to subtract it or add the rows and columns to the bottom and to the right. So if I, for example, add a couple of rows and I click update, now my map is resized a little bit, and you know, it's just that much more convenient to modify your map as needed without having to start all over. Alright, so let's say you have a really cool payload map like this one. Now you want to save it. Now this is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is go to this top right corner and click save. You're going to want to give it a name, and then you just have to hit update or save. This is actually an existing map, so that's why it says update. But anyway, you just press the big blue button, and now you have your map in the official BlockTanks database, and you can view it right here. And then if you want to play it, all you have to do is go back to BlockTanks, host game, my maps, and it should be right there. You can select it and jump right into a game. Just wait a couple seconds, and that's it. That's all you need to do to create your very own payload match with a custom map. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new feature. We spent a lot of time and energy into making it, so we really hope you enjoy it. That's about it for this update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.